Not again. I'm locking that in the cupboard. Locking that in the cupboard. Taking this to the toilet. I'm going to lock this in this toilet because it's got a lock on it. Right, I've locked it. Yes, let's go. Ah! Ah, not again. I can't believe this. Why is it haunting me?